The cookies smell ready. Oh my goodness, they look like cookies. I'm gonna get them out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make these pumpkin cookies. And it's gonna be really fun, so remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, now we got all the ingredients, so let's get started. So the first thing is heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease the cookie sheet. Perfect. Stir together a full pouch of the mix: butter, eggs, butter, eggs, milk, flour, and just basically all the stuff. So put in all the stuff. So we need this. We need the magical pumpkin mix. Wow. Delicious smelling. We need our butter. We're gonna go melt this. Put in our eggs. Whomp. Whomp. That was the microwave. Little too much. Soften the butter. Next, we're going to add the milk, and we need, how much milk do we need? 1/4 cup of milk. And then next we're going to add the flour. How much flour do we need? 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, which is right here. One. And chocolate chips for our chocolate chip pumpkin cookies. Mix. So now we just put them on the baking sheet. Yeah. I hope this turns out good. Now it's time to bake. I must try this first though. It tastes really good. I'm just saying. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. They're spreading out. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying. Oh my gosh, cookies in the oven. The cookies smell ready. Oh my goodness, they look like cookies. I'm gonna get them out. Now I'm gonna put these on the cooling rack. And now I'm gonna try one. They were slightly burnt, but delicious. So a fair try. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. So until then, I love you beautiful kawaii angels. I love you guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, bye.